Hello everyone, welcome to SSBR Educations. This is Srivalli. So today I came with a new topic that is algebraic expressions. So before going to start the topic, please subscribe my channel and click on the like symbol. If you have any doubts, please comment. So now we will start the class now. So many members don't know what is algebra. I will say now. Algebra will deal with quantities which are denoted by symbols. Means symbols is nothing generally letters from English alphabet. Here symbols is determined as English alphabet. Algebra will deal with quantities which are denoted of symbols. So here symbols is generally letters from English alphabet. So in this algebra, English alphabets was included. So that may have more than one values also. Also the values of this symbol differ from problem to problem. Now we will go to the concept. First, fundamental concept of algebra. Fundamental concept of algebra. Here FC is nothing but fundamental concept of algebra. So what are fundamental concepts of algebra means? I said that algebra will deals with symbols like alphabets of the English alphabets. So fundamental concepts means here numerical values will get and variables will get. I mean English alphabets we will get in algebra. Combination of numerical and combination of numerical and English alphabets algebra will be exist. Means this chapter will be exist. So we should discuss how these numerical values will exist and what are that and what are English alphabets, how these will be combined and how the problems will be start. So it is the main topic in mathematics and it is the basic topic in mathematics. So first one, constants. There are two types in fundamental concept of algebra. Constants and variables. My writing was ugly, please understand. I can't write on this board. So I will spell the words. By that you can understand my spelling what I written on the board. This is V, variables. So there are two types in algebra, that is constants and variables. So we will discuss first what is constant. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. So here in algebra there are fixed values and temporary values. Fixed values are constants and temporary values are variables. So here constants are numerical values. Means for the symbol which having numerical value, fixed numerical value. Constants are means numerical value. Fixed numerical value. So for example, infinity numbers will get infinity numbers numerical value means we will take some examples 3 9.2. So in algebra rational numbers, decimal numbers also will get. Don't infinity numbers means all the numbers will get in algebra, either it is rational or irrational or decimal, anything, integers, so etc. Now variables means mm, A symbol which takes on various numerical values is called a variable or illiteral, literal, literal, literal. Variables are literal. Either there are two names for variables. One is variable and one is literal. So in constant, I said that a symbol having a fixed numerical. Symbol having a fixed numerical. Here symbol means what? Alphabet. The alphabet having numerical value means, for example, I'm taking 6x. So here this is the symbol and this is the alphabet. The alphabet having number means number is this. Number is this. So this is the numerical value and it is the fixed constant to the variable. Fixed constant to the variable. That is the definition of constant. I am again saying a symbol having a fixed numerical value. A symbol having fixed numerical value. Numericals are fixed values and the symbols are the temporary. To understand, I am saying like that. So it is the definition of constant. Then what is the variables means? We should the definition of constant we should do vice versa. That time we will get variables. Means how it is means a symbol which takes on various numerical values. Means I said first symbol having numerical fixed numerical values, that is this. So in the definition of first determining this numerical value. In definition of variables determining the symbol of the expression. I'm thinking this is a term. I'm thinking this is a term. Term means TERM. You people got my point. So variable means a symbol which takes on various numerical values. Means any different number means any different numerical value you take. And the symbol you are adding or multiplying, subtracting anything you are doing that symbol is said to be variable or literal. So this is about variables and constant. I'm writing here. Constants are numerical values and variables are alphabets. And another name also there for variables, that is literal. What is that? Literal. So constants are easy to understand, but variables are totally different. I will give another example too. We know that perimeter of square formula. Perimeter. Perimeter of square. What is that? 4s. Example. Four s. P equal to 4s. So here when 4 is a constant number, here 4 is a constant because if P and when a question is asked means they will ask P and S value. For example, 4, 4, 4, 4. These 4 means 4 into 4. Here S side value is equal to 4 means that time 4 into 4. That time we will get 16. So perimeter P equal to 16 and S equals to 4. So here P value and S value was changing. Here p value and s value was changing. So by this we can say that p and s means variables of this formula is temporary numbers. Means these are the p and s are said to be variables, and 4 is the constant number, never it changes. So by this we can say that constants are permanent and variables are temporary. So you people got my point. So I will give some questions. You should say that. For example, 5x plus 2x. That time, I mean 5y. Wait a minute, children. 5y. So here 5 and 2 are 5 and 2 are constants. And x and y. What are x and y? Are variables. Variables. So here see this question. 5x and 2y. These are the 5 and 2 are the constant, and x and y are the variables. We know that. And this is the plus symbol. But this symbol is joining 5x and 2y. Understanding my more point? If the symbol is mathematical, if mathematical operation plus is not there, that time it will be 5x and 2y. There are two different terms that time. 5x and 2y means the 5x is one number, one term, and 2y is one term. Then to combine this, what we should do means mathematical operations. Mathematical operations. I am not writing full of that. MO means mathematical operations. What are mathematical operations? Plus, minus, into, division. So these are the mathematical operations, and will combine the algebra means whenever mathematical operations are there, that time a term will be combined and it will form an expression. Terms will be combined and it form an expression. Our chapter is algebraic expression. We should know about expressions. What are expressions? For that here mathematical operations are used, and term TERM I will write here. So term, so we didn't complete total chapter, and this is my part 1. In part 2 I will show operations on numbers and variables. After that I will come to algebraic expression. I am giving you an idea about this chapter. So thanks friends. So before concluding this chapter, before concluding this episode, please subscribe my channel. If you like the video, click on the like symbol. Thank you.